friends trying to reach one recipe a day, possibly will be there in couple of days or 4-5 days. So today's lesson is success sauce 1.5. Exam menace, fun on the run 3.1. Exam is a word which plays strong emotions in our mind, and we fear exam. It is not so. Exam is like you want to find who is your best friend. Similarly, exam is like screening. Your teacher wants to find who is the best student or better student or better of the best student. So therefore, he plays some trick. And if you can understand the trick, you have won. How do you do that? I'll give an example. In my MBA exam, when I had gone in for appearing maths exam, I found there are 90 questions, maths questions, and time allowed is 90 minutes. Therefore, on an average, it is supposed to be 1 minute per question. So I started first 10 questions, and instead of 10 minutes, I have taken only 2 minutes. I was wondering that I take myself as average, not above average, no, not at all brilliant. Therefore, how could I do 10 minutes sum in 2 minutes? Where is the trick? Let me do 81st to 90. 81 onwards up to 90 sums I had done. And it took me, instead of 10 minutes, 25 minutes. There also I questioned myself. I am not that dull that I would take 10 minutes sum, 25 minutes. So where is the catch? Is it progressively difficult sums have been set? The answer will now be in 11 to 20. 11 to 20 I had done in 3 minutes, and then 71 to 80 I had done in 15 minutes. So I could understand the trick the teacher wanted to play. Therefore, I continuously had done 10 sums in the front and 10 sums at the back. And I was the only person who could complete 90 sums within 90 minutes, because I could catch the trick the teacher was about to play. That is exam. Exam is trying to know the mind of the teacher. How you know? That your mind knows, your intelligence knows, your presence of mind knows, your cool mind knows. Therefore, this is one important aspect. Another important aspect is, in that MBA exam, in the English paper, also there were many questions, and time allowed is 90 minutes. Therefore, I started answering the questions. In one, I got stuck. It is a 5-page story followed by about 25 questions. And 5-page story is so confusing that Ram has done something, Sham has done just the opposite. And Jadu has done something, Madhu has done just the opposite. And thereafter, Trina has done a mixture of all, and then the story continues mixing up things, and they are doing some errands here and there. And the question is on the what did Ram do on this situation? What did Shyam do on this situation? I was startled, and then I found the way out. I read first three paragraphs, and whatever question looked at the questions. Whatever questions come there, I have answered there. And suppose the fourth question does not relate to first three paragraphs, I could understand it is all embracing question. Leave it. Then again 5, 6, 7 paragraphs and 5, 6, 7 question. So again one question is all pervasive. I left that. Like that I continued, and it was about 60 paragraphs, and 60 paragraphs I had answered in proper time. And then I came back with the all pervasive questions. It took no time, because now I am conversant with the whole story, doing it again and again, backside first, back to front. Normally we read stories from front to back. Here my suggestion is it should be back to front. Therefore, you should always read your book back to front, which will make you very capable of understanding the subject very easily. Like what I did was, I had answered the questions in time, and that may be the two reasons that I stood first in the MBA exam. I just knew that I am average. I knew that teacher is playing some trick to understand who is best, and I had understood the trick and I had played on with it. And similarly, when you study, you open a chapter in the book, read the preface and read the synopsis, and see the questions set in the exercise, and come back to the chapter again, read it from the beginning, and you will find you have been able to do it very fast, and you are able to understand the matter very well. Therefore, exam is not a menace. How you treat the exam as a menace is your problem. You should not think at all that exam is a bad thing. Exam is an assessment that you are supposed to face from time to time. Thank you. Again, we will see you.